B.3, le passé composé, chapitre 5. So far in this course, we've seen the present tense, we've seen the future tense, futur simple, and today we are going to see the passé composé. The passé composé is one of the tense that you use to speak about the past tense. And in 4.1, 4.2, especially in 4.2, you will see the imparfait, but for now, we'll see the passé composé. So let's take the verb regarder, ER verbe du premier groupant ER, and when you structure your passé composé, you need two things. You need the verb avoir at the present tense, plus the past participle of your verb. Past participle of your verb. So let's go over avoir at the present tense. You should know it by now. J'ai, tu as, il a, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont. And the past participle of your verb, so all the verb is in ER, they have the same past participle. What they do is they add a et, regarder. They will have the same ending. Donc, j'ai regardé, tu as regardé, il a regardé, nous avons regardé, vous avez regardé, ils ont regardé. And that would mean I watched TV yesterday. So remember, in English you only have one verb, I watched, but in French we have two, j'ai regardé. You need those two verbs to make it a past tense. And passé composé, you usually use it to talk about an action that happened once at a specific time. And it's important because we'll see that a little later with the imparfait. The imparfait, it's more a description. But for now, just learn how to conjugate a verb at the passé composé with avoir. So in terms of past participles, we have seen that les verbes en ER et pour le participe passé. If you have IR comme finir, you would have fini. So you add an I. Les verbes réguliers en RE, you would have U. Par exemple, vendre would do vendu. And that applies to all the regular ER, IR, RE verb. But unfortunately, you have a lot of verbs that are irregular, and so you will need to memorize them by heart. So here you can see a couple of those irregular verbs that are verbs that we've used already in this course. So être will do été, avoir, eu, faire, fait, lire, lu, mettre, mis, prendre, pris, comprendre, compris, voir, vu, vouloir, voulu, pouvoir, pu, devoir, dû. And don't forget the accent circonflexe. So you need avoir at the present tense and then your past participle. J'ai été au musée. Elle a eu mal à l'estomac. So make sure that you memorize those verbs by heart. Now for the negation, remember at the present tense, the negation always surrounds the verb. Il étudie sa leçon, il n'étudie pas sa leçon. At the passé composé, it actually surrounds the auxiliary verb avoir. Il n'a pas étudié sa leçon. So your past participle, your verb at the past participle is not included in the negation. Negation surrounds the auxiliary avoir. Also, even if most of the verbs take avoir at the passé composé, you will find some verb that will take être instead of avoir. They're called house verbs of movement. And you will learn that when you go into 402. But for example, nous allons en classe, it's the verb aller, that's the present tense. But if you want to do the passé composé, you will say nous sommes allés en classe. So here you have être that you conjugate at the present tense, and then you have your participe passé, past participle of your verb. And you notice here there is something strange, S. Looks like you're doing an agreement. Well, you are doing the agreement with the subject when you are using the passé composé with être. But that's something that you'll see later. For now, just recognize that, some verbs will use être instead of avoir. But what I want you to memorize is all those participes passés that are irregular and know the regular form of the ER, IR, RE.